Connect the clamp cable to the charger. Plug in AC power. Press More button to choose fast or slow charging. Car icon indicates fast charging. Press Battery Type Selection button to choose either SLA, AGM or lithium-ion battery. LCD will show SLA when choosing SLA charging. Connect the red clamps to the positive terminal, black clamps to the negative terminals on the battery. The charger will start reconditioning charging. When the battery is fully charged, disconnect the black clamp first, then the red clamp. Unplug the AC power. Charging process is complete.